Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Vega, your space to learn coding and prepare for data analysts and data scientist interviews. So this is part 3 of our coding preparation series. So where we solve questions 11 to 15. So each explained step by step, so you understand the logic, not just memorize the code. If you haven't watched part 1 and part 2, check out the playlist. So each build your logic from base to pro level. So alright, so let's jump right in. So our 11th question is find the sum of digits of a number. Okay. So first we have to create one variable. So here we are creating num. So this num variable will store our number. So here we are taking the numbers from user input. So int input, then enter your number. Okay. Okay, one bracket you have to close. Yeah. Then next, so here we are finding the sum of digits of a number. Okay. So we have to create another variable, that is total. So the total variable will store the sum of digit. Okay. So first we initializing our variable total, that is equal to 0. 0. Okay. Then we are here using a for loop to loop this. So for n in num. So here we have to convert it into a string. So str of num. Okay. Then the total, that is plus equal to n. So here we have to again convert our string of num into back to that int. So int, then that n. Okay. Then we print. So here print sum of digits. Okay, that is equal to like sum of digit total. Yeah. So here I'm typing 2, 5, 4. Okay. So we know 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 7 plus 4 equal to 11. Okay. Let's check. Yeah. So we got right answer. So moving on to our next question. So reverse a list. Okay. So the easiest way to reverse a list is, okay. So first I'm creating a list. So lst equal to, here I'm taking 4 comma 5 comma 3 comma 7. Okay, this is our list. Then our reversed list, that is equal to list of colon minus 1. Yeah. So this means start to the end but move backwards one step at a time. So it's reverse automatically. So let's print reversed list. Okay, equal to list. I think, yeah. 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 So this is our reverse list. So moving on to our 13th question. So find the second largest number. Okay. So first we have to create our list. So here I'm creating our list. So numbers that is equal to, then we are taking some random numbers. Let's take 10, 20, 30, 40, 12, 3, yeah, that's 5, no 6. Okay. Then first we are like sorting the list. So numbers dot sort. Okay. So this will sort the list in the ascending order. Okay. So then after sorting, let's print numbers. Yeah. So this is our list after sorting. Okay. Then let's like pick up the numbers. So print second largest number. So numbers of -1. Okay. Sorry, -2. So -1 is the like largest number. So here we are taking the second largest number. So -2. Yeah. So 30 is our second largest number. So this is one of the simplest way to find second largest number in a list. But sometimes our list will contain some duplicate values. So we can do if let's take another example. So list 2 that's equal to 3, 3, 5, 6, 6, 6, 8, 2. So in our list some numbers that like repeated multiple times. So first we have to remove the duplicates from the list, then only we can able to find the second largest number. Otherwise we will get some we will get the same number. Okay. So for that a sorted then for removing the duplicates from a list we are passing the list through a set. Okay. So through that we can remove the duplicates. All of us know that set does not contain any duplicates values of numbers. Yeah. So sorry, from the list 2. Yeah. So this is a new list without any duplicates values. Then we can apply the same like method that we used in our previous set. Okay. So for finding the second largest number, so the second largest number we can like take the indexing from right to left. Okay. So from the left to right the first number start from the 0th position, 0, 1, 2, 3, but from the right to left it will start from -1, -2, -3. Okay. So we have to find the second largest number. So here we are taking L list 2 of minus 2. Okay, so we have got the 8 here, but 6 is our second largest number, right? Then how we got 8 LST2 less 2. Yeah, we didn't saved our no list, so list equal to less t 3. Okay, so here we are finding, yeah, we got the 6. So this is an another, no, this is not an another method, but if your list contains some duplicates values, then you have to remove the duplicates values before, like doing finding it through the indexing. Okay, because in our first list that does not contain any duplicates value, so we got the right answer. But in our second list, that list contains lots of duplicates values, that's why we passed that list through a set. Okay, so we by passing through the set, that removed all the duplicates values, then we found our second largest number. So moving on to our next question. So 14th question, check the Armstrong number. So what do you mean by an Armstrong number? Okay, so first let's create one variable. Okay, so num equal to 153. Okay, so here we taken 153 as an example. So the Armstrong number is because 1 raised to 3 plus 5 raised to 3 plus 3 raised to 3, that is equal to 153. So first, so that's a condition for Armstrong number. So here first we are initializing total, that is equal to 0. Okay, so 4 digit in, then we have to convert our num into string format, also str of num, so through that we can loop each digit. Okay, then our total, that is equal to, like, plus equal to int of digit raised to 3, so raised to 3. So if so here we are checking our condition, if that 153, that is equal to 1 raised to 3 plus 5 raised to 3 plus 3 raised to 3, then it's an Armstrong number. Otherwise it is not an Armstrong number. Okay, so if our num, or if our total, so total, that is equal to num. Okay, so this is our condition. Then it's an Armstrong number, so we print num, so that's our number is an strong number. Yeah, so else we are taking, else it is not an Armstrong number. 1 second. Okay, we have to take the double equal to, yeah. So 153 is an Armstrong number. Let's take another example. Okay, for example 123. Okay, so 123 is not an Armstrong number. So moving on to our next question. So let's find the GCD, greatest common divisor of two numbers. So this means we need to find the largest number that divides both numbers exactly, like without leaving any reminders. Okay. So first import the built-in math module in Python. So import math. So it gives us access to mathematical function. Like one of them is math dot function. So here we are taking two numbers, a comma b. Okay, then 54 and 23, 54 and 24 that we can do. Okay, so we will find the GCD of these. Okay, so we simply here call the math dot GCD, that's our a comma b. Okay, so Python automatically applies and applies for 54 and 24. So 54 divided by 24 gives a minus 6. Okay, then the 24 divided by 6, that gives remainder 0. So the last non-zero remainder is 6, so meaning GCD that is equal to 6. So sometimes the interviewer will ask you to find without using the math.gcd function. So let's try in that way also. Okay, so here we are also taking the same example, like a comma b that is equal to 54 comma 24. Okay, so then here we are using, okay, here apply dot, so yeah. So here we are using while loop. So while that b not equal to, then so while b not equal to 0, that means loop runs become b, like loop runs until the b becomes 0. Okay, then comma b that is equal to b comma a modulus. So this replace a with b and b with the remainder of a modulus b. Okay, so when b becomes 0, b becomes 0, a hold the GCD. Okay, so now we have to print GCD. Yeah, it will take some time. Yeah, so our GCD is 6. So in data scientist and data analyst interviews, logic-based questions will test your loop understanding and problem solving skill. So if you don't use this building function, write your own function we just did here. So that's how we find the GCD of two numbers using both the math module and the manual logic. So simple, clean and perfect for the interview explanations. Thanks for watching today's session with me. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This help our Didavika community reach more learners. So we build a WhatsApp community where you can share your doubt, get coding challenges and stay updated with upcoming videos. So I also provide one-on-one and group membership in group sessions in Malayalam and English. So it's designed for aspiring data analysts, international students and working professional who wants to crack interview confidently. So see you in my next video. Keep practicing and stay consistent with Data Vika. Thank you.